Hi there everyone, let's go driving. Okay, so it's winter in Canada and I'm just gonna be showing you or giving you some driving tips. Now I'm just gonna turn the fan down so it doesn't make as much noise. No, that's off. Get it on again and raise the temperature to 73 degrees and turn the fan down so the noise does not get into the video. Okay, that's good. Now I have the windshield defroster on, and also the rear glass back there, it's on, so they won't get fogged up. Okay, so the car's already on and I'm gonna be backing out of the driveway. So I get my foot on the brake, release the parking brake, place the gear selector to reverse. Well, I need to clean my window. Okay. Alright, so I check all around and then I can back up. Whoa. Oh, I forgot to close my garage door. Okay, so I'm backing out of the driveway, checking like crazy. I'm gonna be driving to the left, so I put my right signal on. And I have enough clearance out front so I can stop. Place the gear selector to drive, turn the wheel to the left. I could be moving while turning, but it's okay to sit there and turn, so I know I'll have enough room. Now before I drive off, I have to check to the right and to the left to make sure it's good. Okay, this is a right turn at the stop sign. There's no white line or sidewalk to be seen, so I go right out to the edge of the roadway, make a complete stop, and there it is. There's a car coming. Okay, it's safe to the left, and I check to the right, and now I'm gone. Now I'm driving on the slippery conditions, snow covered roads, so this is a good time to turn the ESC button off. The control is the electronic control button, so it's right here. So I'm just gonna press that in, and then you can see in the dash it says ESC off. There it is. So now I'm gonna experience better traction in the snow. Now right turn at the stop sign, no white line or sidewalk. Go right out to the edge of the road and stop, and I can see clearly to the left, so I can go. And notice I'm not spinning my tires because the ESC is off. So you get better traction on the slippery conditions when the ESC button is turned off. Okay, at the stop sign ahead, it's a left turn. Signal left. And it's snow covered roads. I can't see a white line or sidewalk, so I stop at the stop sign. Check, and it's safe. It's a three-way. Hand over hand steering. And then recover. At the stop sign ahead, it's a right turn. Signal right. And I can see the white line, so I stop before the white line. But can I see clearly to the left? No. So I I turn the wheel to the right. Now I can see, and it's not safe to go. I also have to check to the right just in case there's someone coming here. Alright, that's a good distance away, so I can make my turn. Speed here is 40 kilometers an hour, and I'm driving at 40 kilometers an hour. Lights ahead, I'm gonna be making a left turn. Okay, there's a left turn lane here, so I put my signal on, check the mirror and my shoulder, and I get into the left turn lane. And at the lights, there's a white line, so when I don't see that line, that's when I stop completely, right there. And I wait for the lights to go green before making that left turn. Okay, it's safe. I check left, right, then I make my left turn. And the speed here is 80 kilometers an hour, so I'm getting up there. The roads are wet, but it's okay to drive at the full speed. There it is, 80 kilometers an hour. Now if my video stops, please don't get angry at me. Just give me a like anyway and subscribe. And then of course check out your videos and subscribe to you. As you can see, we have yellow lines, double yellow lines. It means if I had to overtake someone, I have to do it carefully. So let's say someone was in front of me, because I have the broken section, I can make that lane change. Right now I have the solid yellow, so it means I should not overtake in this area. If someone was coming this way, because they have the broken yellow, they can actually overtake. So they would come here, pass, and then move over to the right again. For some people, when you see the double lines, they apparently don't know what it means and they still overtake. But anyway, it means that you should not be overtaking, and especially into turns, right? You don't want to be overtaking someone into a turn. That's a deadly mistake. Okay, I'm driving at 80, and I guess this drive will be pretty uneventful, so I guess I could end this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.